Hi guys, welcome to Royal Logos. It's my pleasure to have you here and I really hope that you all are doing well. In this video, I will demonstrate you that how can we extract a logo design idea for a store that is selling EarPads. So without wasting any time, let's continue with the brief that we received from the client. So the client says that the name of my store is MasterPad. We sell premium EarPads and also provide EarPad replacement services for almost all headphone brands. I want something original and minimalist with the word MasterPad, an icon logo or something to show that we sell EarPads or headphone or something related to headphones, but minimalist, original and simple. We want something using the pale blue color gradient. So now the major points that I extracted from this brief. First of all, it's the name of the store, or you can say the name of the logo, which is MasterPad. And the second one is that they are selling premium EarPads and also providing the replacement services. And the third one is that the logo should be relevant to headphone or something related to headphones. And the fourth one is about color, which is pale blue color gradient. Now let's continue with the mind mapping process. And for the mind mapping, I have extracted 2 points. First one is the name of the store or the name of the logo, which is MasterPad. And the second one is headphone, because the client says that the logo should be relevant to headphones. For the logo name, we can either use the initial letter M or we can use the combination of letter M and letter P. And we can also use the vectorized version of an EarPad. And for the headphone, we can either use the vectorized version of a headphone design. And when we come across the uses of headphones, then we can use sound waves or sound beats. And as you know that headphones are mostly used for listening music, that's why we can also use a music note or a music slur. Music slur is basically a curved line which is used to show the sequence between 2 consecutive music notes. And we can also use the stave. Stave is a set of 5 horizontal lines with each line represent a different sound pitch. And now to design our logo, I have decided to use the combination of an EarPad and sound beats. And after sketching different designs by using the combination of these 2 elements, this minimalist design was finalized. And now let's break down this one to understand the background logic. Now this part represents the EarPad and this one represents the sound beats. You can check out the detailed project on Behance. Link is given in the description. Now if you want to suggest any modification or want to share your thoughts about the design, that whether you liked it or not, you can share in the comments section. Now, if you think that this video helps you in some way, then like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.